This video is in support of replacement of your water line on your Kenmore refrigerator. There are other videos that show the full process for the replacement of the water line. This video is simply highlighting removal of the fascia. Removal of the fascia is the most difficult part of this job because it's not clearly shown in the other videos. So here we can see the fascia with all the control modules, water, ice. To remove the fascia, it's not very clear how to remove it. The essence is underneath, which is not very clear, are two slots, 1 and 2. You have to look underneath to really see the slots. With those slots, you simply gently pry upwards and the fascia will be removable. As such, you remove the fascia, moving it upwards, and you can proceed to the next part of the job. As you can see right here is slot 1 and slot 2, which are then hooked at the very top of your removal. So there it is, folks. Removal of the fascia in support of the water line replacement, which you can see on other videos on how to replace the water lines.